Welcome to DynaMaker Features, Chamfer, Fillet, and Offset. Need a quick way to tweak your sketches in DynaMaker? Instead of redrawing from scratch, try using Chamfer, Fillet, and Offset. Whether it's a sharp edge, a smooth curve, or a precise boundary, these features can speed up your design process and give you more control. Given a sketch, chamfers and fillets are best if applied at the end of the modeling of the sketch, since the node ID is needed for them. To apply a chamfer to P1 and P2 here, for example, you can simply write sketch.add_chamfer with its size and node ID as inputs. In a similar way, to apply a fillet to P3 and P4 now, you can type sketch.add_fillet with its radius and node ID as inputs. Notice that these features added 8 extra nodes, 2 per feature. So technically, you can still apply additional features, like for example, a fillet to node number 6, as the second vertex of the first chamfer here. As for the offset sketch, it can be done as skycad.offset, given the sketch and the offset, which can be positive or negative, depending on the desired direction. Notice that this function also takes open sketches and works in a similar way as if it was closed. Do you want to know more? Check our documentation at docs.dynamaker.com.